Hi friend, today we will reveal the Excel secret of how to write automatic ID card number in an ID format. Here are some example number. We will write by adding dash. No. We will write ID card number with a simple trick. We will copy this sample number and paste here. Now we will press Ctrl+1 and go to format cell. Here we will use the custom option 3 times hash dash 7 times hash dash 1 and now press OK. Now you will click on the cell and you can see that there is a CNC format. So we will use this method on a large number of digits. We go custom 3 times hashtag and 7 times hashtag dash hash. Okay, and then we will copy all the number we require to change their format, like ID card number. We will copy that number and paste value. Now as we click on the cell or pressing F2, we will find our required format, just like an ID card number. So like the video and subscribe channel. Thanks.